So this is my second video. I'm going to be teaching you a lighter trick. I call it stealing the flame, and this is how it's done. Once more. Sorry. Don't work very well in your hand. It works. Oh, not very good. So, how you do this? You're going to light it, and you're going to tear the oxygen off the top. And then you go put it back on. So, once more, tear the oxygen off the top. And then put it back on. Because when you're taking the oxygen off the top, it's going to show you. It's actually just wait a minute, bear with me. So it's, if you can see, it's still blue in the middle, so it's still light. When you put the oxygen back in, it comes back on. So that's how to steal the flame. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.